Today I'm going to teach you how to turn off sound effects on LinkedIn. If you find those notification sounds distracting while you're browsing or working, this quick adjustment will help you create a quieter, more focused experience on the platform. First, open your browser and navigate to linkedin.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're fully signed in before moving to the next step, as you'll need access to your account settings. Once you're logged in and on your LinkedIn homepage, look toward the top of the screen. You'll see various navigation options there. Click on Settings and Privacy. This is your hub for managing all aspects of your LinkedIn account, from privacy controls to notification preferences. Clicking this will take you to a dedicated settings page where you can customize your experience. Now, when the settings page opens, direct your attention to the left side of the screen. Here you'll see several categories listed. Make sure you are on Account Preferences. This section is where LinkedIn groups all the core settings related to how your account functions and behaves. If you're not already on this tab, simply click it to switch over. Within Account Preferences, you'll need to locate a section called General Preferences. This is where LinkedIn houses settings that affect the overall user experience, including things like language, sound, and display options. Take a moment to scan through the options until you find it. Inside the General Preferences section, look for an option labeled Sound Effects. Click on it to open the sound settings. This is the specific area where you can control whether LinkedIn plays audible notifications and feedback sounds as you interact with the platform. Once you click on Sound Effects, you'll see a toggle button right beside the words Play Sound Effects. This toggle controls whether sounds are active or muted across LinkedIn. Simply click the toggle to turn it off. You should see the button shift position or change color, indicating that sound effects are now disabled. And that's it. Your LinkedIn account will no longer play sound effects, giving you a quieter and less distracting browsing experience. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.